Hello, wonderful listeners. This is Neha, and I'm back with another episode of Rendezvous with Twin Flames. I welcome each one of you and would like to thank you for tuning in and listening to me. Hope you have been following all my episodes and are connecting with it. Let's get started with today's request. Our requester wants to know, how do you know that your twin flame is sending you love? What does it feel like? Our requester is in separation phase. The simple short answer would be like, feel them within you and you will receive all the love of this universe. Those who have experienced this state can easily relate and will believe that how it feels like recognizing love under this situation. Acknowledging your twin flame's energy is something that only you can experience and can never deny with it. And it will never go wrong also. It is a kind of inner knowing, and this may be received in any form. Maybe in the form of songs, or maybe you feel them when you are with someone else and get into same kind of conversation you had once with your counterpart. Even though you both are miles apart, you can still feel them and will realize that your twin is remembering you. You will feel an uneasiness initially. Out of nowhere, you might start feeling restless. Some may experience headaches, and for someone, their heart starts pumping faster. You will start getting different vibrations altogether, and this indication will confirm that it is your twin only. Some twins might reciprocate to their twin flame's affection as they will be in the best of their state, and all of a sudden they feel this intense connection. Their eyes get watery and could realize that where this love is coming from. This is hard to believe again, but that is how it is. This will be calming, magical, and a blissful experience altogether. When your body, mind, and soul are all balanced, you are free of all the negativities and full of love and positive emotions. There would be no blockages in sending them love. You can also try sending love to your twin flame in your prayers, in your thoughts. You will surely get indications that your twin is also acknowledging the love sent by you. This will always work even if you both are not in contact. The universe play its role and communicate your feeling, your prayers, and your thoughts to them. That's the beauty of this connection. So keep working on your inner issues, get rid of your negativities, and fill your world with love, gratitude, and be in a harmonious union with your twin flame. I hope it will give you some insight and will help you manage this love-hate connection with your twin flame. Wish you all the very best for your journey and loads of happiness and peace ahead. Thank you so much for listening. See you soon in the next episode. Till then, stay in love with Rendezvous with Twin Flames. Do like and subscribe my channel if you haven't done it already. In case you have any questions or if you wish to share your experience with me, you may comment there and I would love to share it with our audience. Thank you again for listening to me. See you soon. Till then, stay in love with Rendezvous with Twin Flames.